Life at the lake. This cute and cozy lakefront cottage is for sale. Drive in for a visit. See the huge parking area 1 to the driveway to parking area 2 next to the lakefront cottage. It's a barn for garden tools. A workshop, an art studio, or even a guest house. See the cute and cozy lakefront cottage with a gazebo and white picket fence with archways. See the blue cottage with white fence and columns, plus a large stained deck and patio covering with a view of the gazebo and the backyard. Entryway and entrance to the lakefront cottage through a beautiful blue door. The primary bedroom. An art room, nursery room, or pet room, or even a greenhouse garden room adjacent to the primary room. The primary bathroom with 2 sinks, walk-in closet, a toilet, and a shower. A home office or bedroom number 3. A full kitchen plus skylights with a nook and a sliding glass door to the deck and an awesome view of the lake. The kitchen nook with an incredible view of the lake looking out the sliding glass door onto the deck. The cozy family room with a wood-burning fireplace and skylights. The dining room and living room with 2 sliding glass doors looking onto the deck and the lake. The rooms both have skylights as well. Bedroom number 2. Laundry room. Guest bathroom. Great views of Devil's Lake from the deck and the property. See the photo of the fish just below the fence. Get out the fishing pole. No fishing license necessary from the property. Devil's Lake is an all-sports recreational lake. Not only is there plenty of parking on the property for cars, but you can park a Class A RV with electrical and water hookups for yourself or even when your family or friends visit. Ten minutes from the Chinook Winds Casino. 7 minutes to Lincoln City Beach. 5 minutes away from a massive outlet mall. Minutes away from many great restaurants. If you're interested in this cute and cozy lakefront cottage, contact Realtor Linda Roy.